Hi. So I'm going to give you the demo of our application. Just check. We have two roles in this application. The one is user role and the second is mechanic role. This application is basically developed for providing the services for the car car mechanics. Okay, we are providing the car mechanic service using this application. So user can come and book a service for their car, for any service related to car, like the towing service, maintenance, or etc. Okay, so let me give you the demo and how we are consuming Google Calendar API in this application. So first of all, I am logging with the user credential. Right now, I am using the debug application, so that is why these buttons are visible. And for the mechanic role, I am selecting this button for the mechanic. Okay, so the interface is open. This is the home of the user and this is the home for the mechanic. So I'm going to book a service from the user role. Okay, so let's say I'm just selecting this category, just check. And then let's say I need this service, and then car, selecting a car, and then typing the address DHA phase 2, confirm, and then test, and then milestone, let's say. So this is the dummy data basically, so that is why I'm typing anything here. So sending this request. Okay, so once I send the request to all garages, so I am receiving this data here. Okay, so let me proceed it from the mechanic side. So I got a service from the mechanic side and I am typing. Basically we have given the AI feature here. Once user click on it and the form will be autofill. Okay, so I'm selecting this data here, like how many time basically I need to give, and then the quotation as well, and then send the request. Okay, once I send it, I will receive the notification from the user end, and this is the notification for the just check. And then I am opening it and I am paying this user. Okay, so add new method. For now I am just using a test card for this. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4 5, save details, add method. So confirm payment. So payment is confirmed. Let me assign this mechanic. Let me assign this service to mechanic. Okay, so by clicking on this I am assigning the mechanic. Okay, so go back to the home, and now I am going to show you how I am consuming the calendar API. Okay, so from the user end, when I click on this button, okay, what happened basically, we are going to sync all these services to our Google Calendar, okay, by using the Google Calendar API. So let's say this service is a time of 10:41 p.m. and the date is December 1, 2025. Okay, so once I sync this, this data will be synced. Okay, so when I click on it, it asks for me for the Google account. I click on it, and then the pop-ups come up because this is not verified yet, so that is why this pop-up came up. Advanced, unsafe, and then it's asking for me for the data. Okay, test name and email, all this. Then continue, and it's again asking for me for this data, and then continue. So I have given the permission and the data is synced. And as you can see, the appointment is added in my calendar of 10:41 to 11 p.m. Okay, so this is basically other appointments has been already synced with it, with this Google. I already added. I already synced basically. So let me show you the mechanic side interface. Okay, here we are also giving the functionality of sync calendar. In the scheduler tab we have the sync calendar button. When you click on it, it asks me for the permission. Okay, so the permission pop-up came up and I click on this and then go to this, and it asks the similar permission for this, and I click on this. Okay, and then continue. So once it synced, if the added, okay, like this. So when I click on it, so this is the 10:41 to 11 p.m. service. If I go back and then check 10:41 p.m. Okay, so basically this is the purpose of our application, to use the Google Calendar API to sync our uh, scheduled services to the Google Calendar. Okay, thank you. And please Google, if you have any more question, please mention uh, in the email, because I have given you the detailed demo of our application. But if you still have any query, then you can ask us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.